retro food fans. It is time for hashtag drink tips, and if I got a great one for you, you're gonna love it. Let's get started. Hey everyone, this is YesterKitchen and I'm Jill, and today is number 2 installment in my favorite hashtag drink tips. This is a group of amazing creators. We all get together once a month and share one of our favorite drinks with you. I am going to put every single one of their links down in the description because if you haven't visited them before, you really need to. They've all got some great cooking channels. So if you know me, you know I love retro. If you don't know me, I love retro. And more than retro, well, I don't know if it's more, but pretty much equal to retro is the Tiki Bar. Oh, Tiki Bars are one of my favorite places to be. It's just, the ambiance is amazing, the drinks are amazing, and I decided to make you one of my favorite Tiki Bar drinks that actually started way before the Tiki Bars. So today we are gonna make Planters Punch. This drink is super old. As a matter of fact, the very first record of the recipe was in 1878, and it showed up in a magazine in London in almost like a poem form. Take a look. See, I mean, you really can't tell this is a Planters Punch recipe, but the basics are there. You have your lime, you have your rum, you have your sugar, you have your water, and that's the foundation of this fabulous drink. And it's called punch because, you know, you're mixing the fruit juices in, and why not? So where did the drink that we know today come from? Well, there's a few different stories and you can take your pick because no one's quite sure. Some say it came from the Planters Hotel in St. Louis, Missouri. Some say it came invented in the Planters Hotel in Charleston, South Carolina. Some say it came from Jamaica because Jamaica invented rum, although Jamaica didn't invent rum, Barbados invented rum. So see, it could come from anywhere. All we know is it is fabulous, it's delicious, it is very tiki, and we're gonna drink it. Well, we're gonna start it and then we're gonna drink it right now. So there are many variations of Planters Punch. I'm making you my favorite version, which comes from a bartender named Eddie Tirado. This is actually the cover of this book. Mine got destroyed. And Eddie, in the 1950s, he and his wife, they're American and they moved to Australia. And he became the superstar of bartenders. He was just like the master mixologist. He made up so many drinks. He helped open so many bars. This is not the only recipe book for cocktails he came up with. He came up with more. He was just like celebrity in Australia. So he was something. I'm gonna make you his recipe. If you like, you can add orange juice. You can add pineapple juice. Do whatever you want, but here it is. So this 1972 recipe starts with 2 ounces of rum. Oh, first of all, have your glass with your ice, ready to go. Okay, whoops. 2 ounces of rum, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Here, I'm not gonna spill. A teaspoon of grenadine. What is grenadine? You know, the stuff that comes in with the cherries. It's really like corn syrup, water, and red dye. Real grenadine is made from pomegranate juice, but it's like boiled down and concentrated. But most grenadine that we buy today is the red stuff. So we're just gonna add the red stuff. This is a little different brand, which is why it's a little more purple, but it's grenadine. And then we're gonna add just a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. You know Angostura bitters. You can find them in any market, any liquor store. They're bitters. How do you describe the taste? It just, you know it when you taste it. You only use like a dash or two, which is what we're gonna do. Whoop, just a little bit. And it just adds this little certain something. Or as they say in French, je ne sais quoi. Okay, now I have my actual cute little tiki stick that I got from one of my favorite tiki bars, which I thought would be perfect. You just kind of mix that together. And then you're gonna top with just a little bit of soda water. Well, a little bit or a lot. It all depends on how much rum flavor you want. I'm gonna stir it again. Garnishes. You gotta garnish. Oh, by the way, my candles. I had to do tiki. It's Tiki Day. So I used these candles once before when I did my Gilligan's Island episode. Right there. I actually made the most popular dish on Gilligan's Island, which I bet you can guess. And I give you more Gilligan's Island trivia than you'll ever want. So anyway, that was a very earlier episode. I'm pretty proud of it. It's part of a series of shows I did where I took every decade, did a TV show from every decade and highlighted a food and gave you a ton of trivia. It's called Retro TV Food Faves, and it's something I'm pretty proud of. I hope you enjoyed that one. Give it a try. Okay, back to our drink. All we do left is garnishes. So, here's my garnishes. I have an orange slice. And of course, what would be a tiki drink without the umbrella? And a little cherry. And here you have it. Planter's Punch. So good that, yeah, you know I'm gonna try it. It's perfect. It's citrusy, it's rummy, it's limey, it's just like the original poem said it would be. So be sure to check out all the creators and hashtag drink tips. And you can even see ours from last month, and I think there was one the month before I joined. They're all so good. I mean, you just want to like start the party immediately. They're all wonderful people, wonderful channels, and I'm so proud to be part of this group. If you would like to explore more dishes from your childhood or just the past, I invite you to subscribe. I release new videos every Friday. In the meantime, here's some more retro dishes for you. And remember, every dish or cocktail with Planter's Punch has a story. I'll see you in the next video.